Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out another awesome Mikov 241 Predator. But this one, showing off that epic full serrated blade. Just like the standard Mikov Predator, has that really awesome automatic feature to it. But this one includes a super sweet full serrated saw blade. Help with all your outdoor saw needs. And this one being that really nice rosewood handles. But what we'll also show off today is just how easy spring replacement is on these. Because these don't use your standard coil springs. So, first thing you'll need, a little tool that can get down in there. Or what's really nice is if you got your spring replacement, you can actually use it to take out the old springs. But you get in right in there, pry it out till you can get your finger under there. And you just pull the springs out. And there you are. Turns it into a folder model pretty much at that point. You can take your new springs, because these ones are already brand new condition, put them in, so you want to line it up so they're nice and parallel to each other. And then it actually sits down in that little groove right there. You can see on there. So you stick it in right there, all the way. You'll get a lot of resistance to it, so if you can't push the rest with your thumb, just push down on a flat surface until it pops in. And you're right back to the epic automatic feature. Really simple. And that's what makes these things so amazing. So make sure to get your new Mikov 241 Predator today at Blade Ops.